Hi, my name is Marky Lemons Rowell, and I am the author of A Modern Real Estate Professional's Guide to Real Estate Success. I am so excited about this book. I have taken over 20 years of real estate experience and laid it out for you, but I've laid it out for you laced in technology. Yes, I said technology. Guess what? A lot of people have no idea about social media and technology and how to combine that with real estate. I know that real estate school did not teach you how to sell real estate. So, in this book, we're going to combine everything for you, giving you nuggets so that you can be successful today.